The powerful role of lavender in Wicca, uses in rituals, spells, and healing. Welcome to Manifesting Miracles with Joelle. Today we are going to dive in on the powerful role of lavender, its uses, and how you can reap of this wonderful benefits of this herb. Lavender isn't just a fragrant flower, it's a treasure trove of magical possibilities. Wiccans have used its calming, purifying, and healing properties for centuries. Are you ready to unlock its mystic role in rituals, spells, and spiritual practices? But first, hit that like button to pass this information to others. Now let's dive into this enchanting herb's secrets. Lavender embodies tranquility and protection, making it indispensable in Wiccan practices. Its calming aroma helps reduce stress, while its purifying effects cleanse your spirit and space. Representing the element of air and Mercury, lavender channels connection, clarity, and peace, a perfect cornerstone for rituals. Feel like negative vibes are clouding your space? Burn lavender incense or sprinkle dried flowers to cleanse your sacred area. Its smoke repels bad energy while welcoming love and light. Lavender creates a pure environment where your magic can truly flourish. Struggling to quiet your mind during meditation? Lavender is your ultimate guide. Anoint your temples with lavender oil or keep the flower nearby to deepen focus and clarity. Its soothing energy aligns your thoughts, paving the way for spiritual balance and connection. In healing, lavender is unmatched. Create a sachet filled with dried lavender and place it under your pillow to ease insomnia or emotional distress. Infuse its essence into a candle to release stress. Lavender's energy nurtures the soul, making it a true healer in spell work. Harness lavender's energy to attract love and deepen relationships. Add it to a bath ritual to manifest self-love or include it in a charm to draw romantic harmony. Its fragrance enriches your aura, encouraging compassion, affection, and heart-centered connections. Want to fortify your spiritual defenses? Lavender is a powerful protector. Use a lavender satchel as a personal talisman or hang a bundle at your door to shield your space. This mystical herb rejects dark energies while inviting positivity and peace. Uncover the mysteries of your dreams with lavender. Tuck a sprig under your pillow to encourage vivid, insightful dreams. Lavender opens a gateway to the spiritual realm, making it vital for dream work or divination practices where clarity and intuition are needed. Spell jars brim with potential, but adding lavender takes them to the next level. Whether you're crafting a jar for protection, love, or abundance, lavender seals your intentions with its gentle energy. Combine it with complementary herbs to supercharge your results. Add a hint of lavender to your altar offerings. Its calming presence pleases deities aligned with harmony and healing. By burning lavender or scattering it on your altar, you're paying homage while weaving its serene energy into your spiritual intentions. Being tied to the air element, lavender opens pathways for communication and mindfulness. Use it to clear mental fog or enhance your voice in spells requiring clarity. Channel Mercury's influence during rituals to achieve profound focus and understanding. Lavender blooms in perfect harmony with nature's cycles. Incorporate it into seasonal sabbats like Litha or Lammas to celebrate life's richness. Scatter lavender petals during celebrations to enhance joy and gratitude, creating a vibrant and abundant energy flow. Lavender oils are versatile magic tools. Use them to anoint candles, ritual tools, or even yourself when preparing for spell work. Lavender infusions amplify serenity and healing properties in teas, sprays, or ointments, making your rituals truly transformative. The journey to self-love begins with lavender. Place it in your bath water or hold lavender in meditation to embrace your inner light. Its gentle support fosters confidence and care, reminding you that love starts from within and radiates outward. Though rooted in ancient practices, lavender's role in Wicca remains as potent today as ever. Use it in minor rituals for daily calm or major ceremonies for profound transformation. Its versatility as a cleansing, protective, and healing herb is timeless. Embrace lavender's potent energy and transform your Wiccan rituals, spells, and healing practices. Whether calming your spirit, manifesting love, or guarding your sacred space, this remarkable herb has your back. Will you let its power guide you into deeper spirituality? Start your lavender journey today. Be sure to go to the link in this description to read more about lavender, where you get great free, do it yourself, lavender recipes and ideas. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.